Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to prepare your data for sending bulk WhatsApp messages using SheetWA. Option 1, you can list the phone numbers without the country code like this. This works if you're sending messages within one country. For this kind of data, the right country code settings would be to select the number without country code and then select the default country code for all the numbers. Option 2, you can include the country code in the phone number itself as shown in the example here. This is useful when you have users in different countries. The right country code setting for this will be to select number contains country code. Option 3, you can have one column for country code and one column for phone number separately, as shown in this example. This is again helpful if you have users from multiple countries. The right country code setting for this kind of data will be to first select this option of country code from column in data, and then from the drop down choose the column that contains the country code. And that's it. Storing phone number properly and using the right setting is important to ensure your messages are delivered. Link to download the sample file in Excel or Google Sheets is available in your account. Thank you.